Bird. Let's see, randomize gaps between pipes. So that was done here. I think. Yep. So put in a random there and got rid of gap height up here. This used to be gap height. Randomize the interval at which they spawn, so that's done in play state. That's this one here. No, it's not that one. It is this one, self-dot timer. So sets the randomness between 2 and 30. A score state, so to give medals, that's done in score state. And so if you score less than 1 point, you get a bronze medal. Less than 2, you get a silver. Greater than 2, you get a gold. Pretty easy to get gold. Well, it's a hard game. And then a pause feature. So that's back in play state. Added this self.pause. Starts as false. And then here in the update function, this is the logic for if you press P to set self.pause to true or false. Also plays the pause sound, which is initiated in main.lua. And then also I put all of the update function under a blanket if statement, if not self.pause. And I think that's it. Oh, down here in the render, if you're paused, then you display the pause. And I'll show you the sound real quick. So sounds table, add a pause, and let's play. Oh, here we go, Flappy Bird. There's a big gap. There's a small, oh, got a C or a bronze. Let's do it again. Boom, we're paused. Oh, we're unpaused. See if I can get a gold, and then we'll be done. All right, time for a new high score. Probably bored already. Well, this is the last thing I gotta do before I submit, so I'm gonna enjoy it. Nope. Boom.